Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix, in case anyone doesn't know, it's an online styling service. Pay them $20 for a styling fee. They'll send you a box of 5 items. Shipping is free both ways. Keep what you want, send back what you don't. Whatever you keep, that $20 styling fee comes off the retail purchase price. The prices are manufactured suggested retail prices. Very, very seldom do you get something on sale in your Stitch Fix, which I'll get into in a bit because I did get something on sale this month in my box. If you keep all 5 items in your box, which is never happens for me because I'm a little bit picky now. If you've been following me, my wardrobe is now stuffed that I only add things that I absolutely love and I'd be sad to send back into my closet. I really don't need any clothes, but I just love shopping. So basically, I was grandfathered into the Style Pass. My Style Pass renews in July, hopefully. I know they're doing away with the Style Pass for many of you out there. Some people are getting renewed. My friend Shannon, who also happens to be a stylist, she was renewed. So hopefully I will be renewed too, but there is no guarantee. With that, I pay $49 flat fee for a year and I can get unlimited number of fixes. Shipping is free both ways. And again, that $49 gets applied to whatever I keep. So it actually is a good deal. I don't think they're offering the Style Pass to any new customers now, but if you had it in the past, definitely take advantage of it because you can keep getting things sent to you like pretty much every week, every other week. And yeah, you keep what you want, send back what you don't. And I usually keep 1 item per box, sometimes 2. I had a box a couple weeks ago. It had a lot of yellow in it, which is good because it gave me choices and I was looking to add yellow to my closet and I did. I kept the jacket and a pair of earrings from that and I think that was it. And I kept the pants that I purchased directly from Nordstrom. So I purchased the pants from Nordstrom and I purchased the matching jacket from Stitch Fix and a pair of earrings. So when I went to check out, they're like, we can send you another box within a week. And I'm like, are you kidding me? I'm still recouping. It wasn't cheap. I'm still recouping from this box. So I said, all right, make it 2 weeks, get it around Memorial Day weekend, which indeed I did. I got it yesterday afternoon. So here it is, Friday, Memorial Day weekend, and I am showing you my fix. All right, first up, oh, and I have to say, a couple weeks ago, I was very excited because Stitch Fix started getting a ton of new inventory, and I thought they were really turning things around. I kept seeing new inventory added every day, and I was getting excited, and I gave her an advice, go to that news section. Well, since then, it's drizzled down. There's hardly anything new showing up, and moreover, what they did include, a lot of it's gone already, so it's a shame. They just can't seem to get in inventory and keep inventory, and all you keep seeing recycled is their old inventory. If you see this video now, they do have 2 separate sale sections going on now, and I suggest you look through them as well as the news section because maybe there was something a while ago that you wanted and you weren't willing to pay their full price, but now it's on sale and now it might be a good price that you want to pay for. All right, so the first thing I got, it was something I actually requested and was on my wish list. So if you haven't already, put things on your wish list. I have well over 100 items on mine. I was dying to get these earrings, and when I got them, I'm like, oh, no, not me. All right. They're a gold hammered hoop, but they're quite large. All right. I don't know if you see that. I didn't realize when I selected them that they were going to be this large. I figured they were going to be half this size. Okay. These are by 41 Hawthorn. They're the Maya hammered hoop in gold, $28. Not a bad price. They're quite heavy too. So as you can imagine, this is not something I would want to wear in my ears. It's just too big for my taste. So that's going back, no questions about it. Next up is this little sweater cardigan. This is, I would say, an all-season cardigan. The light color, it makes it good for spring and summer, and it's lightweight. This is the Flynn V-neck button front sweater in camel, extra small. It's on sale. Like I said, you rarely get things in Stitch Fix on sale, but it's on sale, $47.97. This sweater is 78% rayon, 22% nylon, and it is, I believe, machine wash or hand wash. This is hand wash, but I would put it in the washing machine in a garment bag. I really like this sweater. It's soft, it's comfortable. It's like a rib knit. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see the ribbing. It has, camel and ivory striped here going all the way around. I'm gonna keep this sweater. It's on sale, and it kind of replaces a sweater I had from Ever Eve that was kind of like a grandpa cardigan style, and I had to retire because it just wasn't looking that great anymore. So sweater's a keeper. Next up, I have the jeans. The jeans are by Cosmic Blue Love. They're Lydia high rise, cropped, and I know they're boot cut, in indigo, size 0, $98. So I'll step back so you can see the jeans. I'd actually wear this outfit together. I put it on with my slides by Dolce Vita, or like they would call them platform slides. I really like these jeans, all right? These jeans, let me explain them to you, what their fabric is made out of, because it's not the most ideal fabric combination. All right, the fabric is 80% cotton, 9% rayon, 9% polyester, 2% elastane, and it's machine wash cold water with light colors, tumble dry low. Like these a lot, but do I really need them? And I'll be honest with you, I have a front door fashion coming tomorrow, and there were things that I specifically asked for in that box, including looser fitting jeans. So I'm gonna wait to make a decision on these jeans and see what I end up keeping in my front door fashion. And their prices are starting at $100 in front door fashion. So before I could pull the trigger on these, I gotta see what I'm gonna be spending there. Like these jeans a lot. The sweater I'm keeping, there's no question. I'd be very sad to send back this sweater. All right, give me a minute and I have another pair of jeans to show you. Okay, next up are a pair of Liverpool jeans. These are the Kennedy raw hem straight crop, and I'm pretty sure they're boot. They're calling this color brown, size 0, $98. Now, Liverpool is generally a brand that I like a lot and fits me well. However, these don't fit me that great. These are a little bit snug. All right, let me step back so you can see. And I'll tell you the reason why they're snug. This zipper is like literally only like 1.5 inches long. For whatever reason, they made a very small zipper, and when I went to go open them up and put them on, I had a hard time struggling and getting them over these hips. And I'm able to button and zip them, but they're very tight in my hip area. Here's the back of them. I imagine they're giving me pancake butt, but I didn't look at myself, so I'll take a look in the video footage. These also don't have a great fabric content on them. And let me try and read you what this tag says. And it's a little bit harder for me because both the printing on the tag is smaller and it's also stuffed here in my pants, which are kind of hard to pull it out. So this one is, and it's on black too, that doesn't help, 58% cotton, 32% lyocell, 8% polyester, and 2% elastane. So I figured that these will stretch out throughout the day based on their material, but putting them on, they're snug. They're pretty snug, and usually Liverpool is not like this on me. Usually I put them on and they fit. These are definitely a snugger pair. So, you know, again, if I needed jeans, if I needed stuff, I'd still even be considering these because I do like them. I don't have anything jean this color, this brown color. I do have brown pants, casual pants, that I think are cargo style, but I don't have any like brown jeans. I have beige jeans, like ivory jeans, but no brown jeans like this. So I thought this might have been like a nice neutral color to add to my closet. But I'll be honest with you, I also have, like I said, a front door fashion coming, and I'd rather have things that are more lightweight and loose and flowy now that it's summertime, like linen or linen-like, things that I can wear loose and flowy. And the styles now are loose and flowy too. And that's why I'm kind of hesitating on the other jeans, the light wash jeans, is because I'm looking for like more of a relaxed fit right now versus loose and flowy. All right, give me a minute. She also sent along a dress, and I'll try that on for you. Next up is this spaghetti strap sundress that is not bra friendly. I had to put on a strapless bra. And it is by GILLI, or GILLI, however you say it. The Scarlett halter neck dress in off-white. So this dress is rayon, 65% and 35% linen. So you might think, well, that's a nice, breathable, light, summery fabric. Well, they lined it with a thick polyester lining. I don't know why they did that. So yeah, the bottom half of it is lined. The top, yep, no, the whole thing is lined. So the whole lining here is all polyester. So there goes that breathability in it. It is a halter style, so it has the tie here in the back. It is like, a diagonal stripe on the front, okay? And I have to show you this because I am pretty impressed with the craftsmanship of this. This is a seam down the front, and look how nicely they matched up those stripes. So I give them a thumbs up for that. That to me shows quality, when you can line up a pattern like that. Now the sides, they kind of tricked me because they made them diagonal on the sides, but then straight in the backs. But I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I'd rather have that than mismatched stripes, you know? The bottom here is vertical, and then they put two patch pockets here, which I know lots of you like pockets, but they made the pockets a horizontal stripe, and the hips, my hips are not slender at all. They're the widest part of me, and I feel this dress kind of emphasizes my hips. So thumbs down to the lining, thumbs down to the placement of the pockets and the fact that it's a horizontal. Thumbs up for the craftsmanship on this. I think they did a really, really nice sewing job on this. It comes right about to my knee. It's a comfortable dress other than that, but it's, again, thumbs down, bra front, not bra friendly. So not in love with this dress. It's only $59. If you like this dress, as far as quality goes, I definitely think it is a well-made dress, other than the fact that they cinched out on the lining and made it a thick polyester lining. And yeah, this was my fix. So what did you guys think? I think I'm only going to keep that sweater as part of this fix, mainly because I'm looking for looser clothing now, because one, it's the style, and two, it's summer. And even though I really like those light wash jeans, I don't think I'm going to keep them. I'm going to hold on to them. My box for Retro Fashion comes tomorrow. If it happens to be there's nothing I want in that box, maybe I might splurge and get the jeans, because I do like them. And I only have a wide leg light wash. I don't have any, like, you know, more fitted wash, light wash. But again, the idea is to be more loose and flowy now. That's kind of like the style. So I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Whatever I do, if I return this, I know they're going to ask me for another turnaround. And between this and my front door fashion and things I want at White House Black Market, and there's really just nothing I want right now at Stitch Fix, I think I'm going to be trying to hold strong and push it off to like July. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, why not? I'm free. And click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care. Until next time.